Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for professional-grade tech gear. Today, we're featuring the best Promise Pegasus yet, the Promise Technology Pegasus32R4. This isn't just a storage solution. It's a hybrid beast that blends Thunderbolt 3 and USB 3.2 Gen 2 connectivity with massive capacity and robust RAID options. Whether you're editing 4K videos, running a multicam shoot, or backing up enterprise-scale projects, this machine is engineered for serious creators. Let's dive into what makes the Pegasus32R4 such a powerhouse. At its core, the Pegasus32R4 delivers a 16 TB raw capacity, loaded with 44TB 7200 RPM hard drives. But what sets it apart is the connectivity versatility, powered by Intel's latest Titan Ridge chipset. This system supports both Thunderbolt 3 at 40 gigabits per second and USB 3.2 Gen 2 at 10 gigabits per second. That means you can plug it into a wide range of devices, whether you're on a MacBook Pro or a Windows desktop, without compromising performance. The unit also includes a full-size DisplayPort 1.4. This allows you to daisy-chain and support an 8K monitor setup. Something almost unheard of for a direct attached storage unit in this price and size category. The Pegasus 32 doesn't just store your files, it fuels your workflow. With 85 watts of power delivery over Thunderbolt 3, it can charge your laptop while handling high-speed data transfers. So if you're future-proofing your studio or scaling up your production house, this is a platform you can grow with. From a physical standpoint, the Pegasus 32R4 is built like a tank. Housed in a sleek black chassis, it maintains quiet operation with its intelligent fan control and enterprise-grade components. It's designed for desktops, with 3.5 drive bays and a rugged, professional aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any high-performance studio or office environment. This is a top-tier solution for filmmakers, content creators, and post-production professionals who need fast, secure, and scalable storage. Thanks to its hybrid interface, it also makes a great choice for mixed OS environments, like collaborative studios running both Macs and PCs. Whether you're offloading data from field shoots or using it as your main editing drive, the Pegasus 32 is up to the task. And let's not forget redundancy. With RAID 5 or 6, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your data is protected even if one of the drives fails. To wrap it up, the Promise Pegasus 32R4 is a best-in-class RAID solution that balances high-speed performance, future-ready connectivity, and robust data protection. It's not for the casual user. This is for pros who demand speed, stability, and serious capacity. If that's you, this is an investment that pays for itself in saved time and secured projects. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions about pro-level storage solutions. See you in the next video.